The red-cheeked Cordon-bleu is a small, colorful bird found in parts of East and Central Africa. It belongs to the Red-cheeked Finch family. This bird is famous for its bright blue feathers and the red patch on the cheeks of the male, which gives it its name. Females look similar but usually have duller colors and no red cheek patch. Red-cheeked Cordon-bleus live in open woodlands, grasslands, and near human settlements. They mainly feed on small seeds, grasses, and occasionally insects. These birds are also known for their beautiful courtship dance, where the male bobs up and down while holding a piece of grass in his beak. Their soft calls and lively behavior make them popular among bird lovers and nature.